Quant broke a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we were using these exponential moving averages as support with a beautiful continuation pattern. As of right now, though, quant did break below these exponential moving averages with multiple bearish engulfing candles, and now we are retesting these levels as resistance. So what exactly happened on quant? Well, looking at the previous price analysis, we can see that this level was a very crucial resistance point. You can see that we tested this level multiple times, and we also had a beautiful breakout of this formation. So I mentioned the fact that we should be looking for a possible pullback, grab that support level, and then a continuation. But you can see we had a double top failure on quant as of right now. Currently, we are using these EMAs as resistance as well, so I am leaning towards a bearish case scenario, possibly back down to the 112 support area. Now, we already know that that level doesn't really act as a very strong support level anymore. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see that we have tested this level multiple times and we failed to break above that level. Of course, if we do see that continuation pattern and we possibly do break that 112, guys, things are going to look extremely bearish for quant overall. The reason is because of the fact that you can see the next support line would be around that $99 mark, but we have tested that level twice already. A third test opportunity would mean a breakdown formation. Then we can start to pay attention to my overall support here at 87. The reason why, of course, as you guys know, why that $87 level is so important. If we go here on the daily time frames, you can see that that acts as a very strong support. But you will notice that I already have two circles drawn on the daily support as well, and the reason for that is, of course, that this would mean that this is the third time once again that quant will be testing that overall daily support. I personally think that that $42 level down here around the $42 mark is going to be acting as a much better support zone for that area of a long position for the long term. The reason why is, of course, you can see that pretty much when we did have that massive drop on quant, we actually did see that level at $42 before we had that continuation back in June. This level, of course, is a very crucial point for quant, and I do see this level being a double bottom formation, and then possibly hoping for the fact that we start to see that bullish move set and that continuation in that V shape for those bulls to try to take control of these levels. Right now, though, on quant, if we go back on the 4-hour time frames, you can see that we are pretty much hovering right above these levels, and we do have somewhat of a BART formation as well. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that we are also in this BART formation and the fact that we have this M formation. So right now, if we do see the completion of this move set, we will be looking to for sure retest around that 120 mark before we have that continuation. Over here on the hourly time frames, you can see that quant is pretty much rejecting these exponential moving averages almost perfectly. And we do have a beautiful wick to the upside as well. This usually indicates the fact that, of course, we did see a nice fake out opportunity, grab that liquidity, and now the continuation. And I mentioned this to you guys many times. The reason why we do not trade on weekends, this is a perfect case scenario. You can see that we were pretty much in a beautiful uptrend the whole weekend on the hourly. And then as soon as Monday morning happened, then we saw the corrective move set to the downside. To avoid this obviously from happening, we just kind of analyze on the weekends, and then we enter our position throughout Monday to kind of make sure that we don't get expected in that fake out, right? You can see across most of the cryptocurrency pairs that we actually did experience a beautiful move set to the downside. So right now, looking for that long position, looking at the chart as well right now, it doesn't really make sense, right? It would make a lot more sense, of course, if we did see that pullback opportunity to 112 and then see whether or not this support level does hold. Now, in terms of this price analysis from a bullish case scenario, if we do see another fake out opportunity and we do see a nice strong bullish engulfing candle, we would have to break above this 144 resistance level, find it as a consolidation point for that continuation in order for us to turn in a midterm bullish aspect. Right now, though, of course, that I mentioned this to you guys throughout my videos, just because we had this massive waterfall effect and now we are consolidating doesn't mean that quant is ready to continue pushing higher. We tend to see these move sets and then we have the next leg to the downside, so keep an eye on that and make sure we obviously have our proper risk management. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day.